today, folks. Gotta hydrate. Hey there, hi there, hello there, everyone. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I'm taking part in the Fun Time Friday challenge hosted by Tiffany from Broke Girl Aesthetic, and her co-host is LaParsha from Making It Myself. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the unboxing of my Cricut Joy that I got for my birthday, and then also the little sample that I made after I logged in and got all set up in the Cricut Joy community. So I am part of the Cricut community now, folks. So please, any pointers that you might have, because had a little bit of trouble with my sample, but you know, the more you do it, the better you get. And also today was a very fun day for me. I had a wonderful visitor. My son came to visit from out of town, and he made me breakfast this morning, still celebrating my birthday. So that was my breakfast this morning that my son made. He's actually a very good cook. And he also brought me more birthday presents, so I am going to share those with you. It's this beautiful Sorcerer Mickey painting and the happiest place on earth, which is nowhere else I would rather be, Disneyland. So I love those two, and they hang in my living room now. We set it all up. But you know what? Here we go. Let's get started. I'm going to do the unboxing for my Cricut Joy. Don't forget to watch the playlist for the Fun Time Friday challenge and our hosts' channels. They are linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe. Give me those pointers on using that Cricut Joy. And stay tuned. Let's go to my craft room, grab your beverage, your favorite. Today it's water. Get hydrated, everybody. Come on, let's go. Vámonos. Okay, everybody, so here I have my Cricut Joy. I'm going to do the unboxing. So you're gonna see in here, when I see in here, I have no idea what's gonna be inside, except maybe a little machine that looks like this, and everything else that it says it's included in here. So here we go, and because this is a box, I'm going to be using my box cutter. Get this tape off. Yeah, well, I guess you got to do that. I didn't want to do the tab, but I guess you have to. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, more tape over here. And then some more tape over here. And look, there it is. A little Cricut Joy. Just a little bundle of happiness. So this is what it looks like. The color's pretty, isn't it? Got a really pretty color. Not my colors, but it is beautiful nonetheless. I prefer the reds, purples, gold. There is a book, it says Open Me, or I don't know what it is. I'm saying book. These don't come with books anymore, do they? And it says, let's get started. So there's a little pamphlet. A card, I'm guessing a practice card, some practice vinyl, a cutting board and measuring, and the warranty info. Okay, so all of that is in there. Good to know, good to know. Then we also have, let's see, one of these little moisture packets. And in here we have, looks like a pen, the power pack, and the plug. Okay. So let's see what this little thing looks like. Put that there for now. And I'm guessing it goes this way. I've never had one of these. I've never seen one of them before, so I have no idea. I have no clue. But I'm gonna plug this thing up, get it started, and try and make something today. All right, well, I'll be back and maybe trying to show you what I made. Okay, here it is. It's all set up. I plugged it in. I went ahead and got the Cricut Joy app. I've signed into the Cricut Joy community and went ahead and made my sample cut here. It says create. How fitting is that? I'm going to go ahead and cut that out and see if I can place it somewhere. All right, I'll be back. So if you saw what I got for my birthday video along with the Cricut, I also got this Cricut tool set, and the weeding tool is in there, so I'm going to go ahead and open that. And then I'm going to apply the sticker, the sample one that I made, onto this piece of stock paper that came with it. And I'm going to put it into this little picture frame that I have. All right, so let me get this package opened and we will create a little picture frame. Okay, so let me close this up, move it out of the way. And then I'm going to go ahead and get this and start weeding these letters. I've never done this before, so let's see how I do. How about I put that on there? You see the experts on this, they know how to do it, don't they? Okay. If you're an expert on this and you can give me any pointers, I'd greatly appreciate it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going rogue here. Just trial and error, folks. I guess that's what we all do, right? All right, so then we're gonna get this and paper scissors. Well, I don't know, I guess you don't need that, right? Isn't that the whole point of these? All right, Anna, use your weeding tool. I don't know, folks, this could be a mess or it could be a big fail on my part, but hey, I don't know what I'm doing. Somebody out there is cringing. All of you are cringing like I am. I might have done this backwards. I might have done it. That's what happens when you go rogue, people. That's what happens when you go rogue. Alrighty. I think I was supposed to, I don't know. It said only use the transfer tape if it's an intricate pattern, and I didn't think that this was an intricate pattern. You tell me. Just trying to get these little bubbles out. I have found in all my years of crafting that everything is fixable. And if it's not fixable, it's called character. So my little sample sticker is gonna have character. I'm sure we've all made things with character, haven't we? Alrighty, so now I'm gonna get my cutting board that I got with this kit and cut that piece down to size. Stand by. Alright, you guys ready for some more cringe-worthy stuff? Alrighty, let's see. There's one cut. Ooh, scary. There's two cuts. Oh, didn't quite get it all, Anna. Let's try again. That's okay, that's the edge you're not going to see inside the frame. Okay, so let's, I don't know, is this little dot supposed to be there? I think that's my problem. Alrighty. Okay, people. These are not the colors that I would have chosen, but you know, it was the sample. Got to try the sample that comes with it. Having a little bit of difficulty here with this little spot. But you know, it's going to be this little tiny picture frame, and it's always going to remind me of the day I got my Cricut. Oh, alright. Looks like we're a little bit long on this side. Okay. It's still not good. I don't know. I thought I measured. Measured twice. Cut once. Alrighty. Now we're a little bit long on the top. Just a hair, people. Just a hair. But that hair. Okay. There we go. Now let's put that in there. And ta-da! We got a little picture frame. Alright, well, I'm sure that you'll be seeing a lot more things, and I'm going to be improving as I go, but for now, I think that more practice makes perfect, or at least pretty close to it. Well, thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Don't forget to watch the rest of the playlist for the Broke Girl Aesthetic Fun Time Friday challenge. Anyway, this was a lot of fun. Thanks a lot, you guys. So for real, see you in my next video. Bye.